Today, we are doing the easiest Arch Linux install.
Here is all what we will do.
But first, let's rewind to the beginning.
And start here.
Download the Arch Linux ISO from the official site. The link is in the description.
Now we download Rufus to burn the ISO to a USB drive.
And reboot.
After selecting the thumb drive on boot screen, usually by one of the F keys,
You should get this screen. Select Arch Linux Install and press Enter.
let it run, then you get a command prompt. Now here, not many people know that Arch comes with a command prompt installer by default. Type archinstall to begin the installation process.
Here we will have all the settings we need to get a perfect Arch installation.
First, let's look at language. Press Enter and select your preferred language from the list. Next is mirrors. This is crucial for download speeds. Select Mirror Region, then find your country in the list. By selecting a server close to you, the installation will be significantly faster. Moving on to locales, this handles your keyboard layout. Select Keyboard Layout and choose the one that matches your physical keyboard so your typing is accurate. Now for disk configuration. This is often the hardest part, but we will make it easy. Select Disk Configuration, then choose the drive you want to install Arch onto. I am selecting Use Best Effort. This automatically wipes the drive and creates the necessary partitions for us. For the file system, I recommend choosing ext4 for reliability, or btrfs if you want advanced features like snapshots. For swap, it is set to true by default. I highly recommend leaving this on, as it acts as emergency memory if your system runs out of RAM. For the bootloader, the default is grub. This is the industry standard and works perfectly, especially if you plan to dual boot with Windows later. For the host name, this is simply the name your computer will have on the network. Delete the default text and type in whatever creative name you prefer. Now, we need to handle authentication. First, set a root password. This is for the system administrator, so make sure it is secure. Next, go to User Account and select Add a User. Type your username and create a password. The script will ask if you want to make this user a super user with Sudo privileges. Make sure to select Yes. Now for the fun part, the graphical interface. Go to Profile, then select Type and choose Desktop. Scroll down the list until you find Niri. Niri is a scrollable tiling window manager that looks incredible. Once you select that, we need to pick a graphics driver. If you have an NVIDIA card, select the proprietary NVIDIA driver for the best performance. If you are using AMD or Intel, select the open source Mesa driver. For the greeter, which is your login screen, I am choosing the minimal option called LY. It gives the system a very clean, text-based aesthetic. For audio, select Pipewire, as it is the modern standard for Linux audio handling. Finally, under Network Configuration, select Network Manager to ensure your internet connects automatically when you reboot. Review your settings one last time, then scroll down to Install and press Enter. Confirm by hitting Enter again. The script will now format your drive, download the Linux kernel, and install your desktop. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Enter your password, and welcome to your fresh Niri desktop. As you can see, it is minimal, fast, and ready for you to customize. That was the easiest Arch install ever. I hope this detailed guide helped you. Please subscribe for more Linux tutorials, and thanks for watching.